Hello everyone. Institute of Management and Commerce and Department of Journalism and Mass Communication presents IHM's Kitchen Magic. So let's see what is baking today. Come. And today we have Roopesh sir with us.
We have a three menu, ma'am, for today. That is, one is banana cake or banana bread, we call it as. Then your toast bread, whatever we are like day by day life we are using the toast bread. Then one is a choco chip. That is a banana bread, one of the famous bread. If you go for any 5-star hotel in the morning time itself, it's essential thing for the breakfast. It's infused with it's made with the pure bananas, smashed with sugar and oil, and it's healthy food. And it will be presented on top of some icing sugar. It's a very good flavor and taste also. And toast bread is a normal bread, the day by day life we are using, that is using for the toast bread. And choco chip cookies we are making purely butter based, so it will be very good and very tasty also. At the end of the show I can give you for the tasting.
Thank you, sir. So shall we move forward?
Yeah, sure.
Can you tell what and all ingredients needed?
Yeah. See, this is a toast bread. For this, we use the refined flour or maida, salt and sugar and yeast, milk powder and water and fat. Butter or margarine, anything you can use it. And so we need to check the dough is properly done. While seeing itself, we can make out the dough consistency. It's very smooth. So we need to make a smooth dough. So after that, what you have to do is we need to fold it. Okay? Folding is the method. So whenever you fold, make sure it should be folded properly and it will be pressed. Or else what will happen, we can see some of the bread, if you are purchasing, there is a hole in that.
Okay.
So if you are not folding, what will happen, the air bubbles will go inside, it will get hole inside. So whenever you are folding, we need to make sure it should be folded thoroughly. So that is a
So how we will come to know that, sir, it's perfect?
It's the dough shape while touching itself, we can make out the dough is perfectly done or what. After that, bread mold. So we need to make like this one. Then bigger one. Then bigger bread mold. We need to keep like this. Then with your hand. Level it. So it has the yeast in it. Then after that we need to keep it for the proofing, for fermentation. So it will ferment and it will reach till here. By that time we can close it and we can bake it inside. Fold it. Then whatever the folded part comes down. If it is up, it will break, open. Okay. So folded part, very slowly keep it inside. Press with your this back side of the finger, level it, keep it on for proofing. Done?
So what and all ingredients?
Yeah, this is a banana bread, ma'am. So here we took 200 grams of banana, then brown sugar 100 gram and castor sugar, the normal sugar 100 gram. Then we need to smash it properly. You need to smash it. Okay. After smashing, we need to make sure it's smashed properly. There is no crush. And okay, so this is a banana smash with your brown sugar and castor sugar, sir. So once it is done, we have a 60 ml of oil that is already ready. You can use a normal oil, sunflower oil, not like coconut oil. It will give a flavor again. So slowly we can add it, oil. Two egg, okay, 2 egg that is already broken. You can add it slow by slow. Slow. Okay. So egg already if you add, so egg has some flavor. So if you have like the egg smell will come. So we won't feel to have the item. So for that, to avoid that, we'll use the cinnamon powder. So that will cover. Normally for the sponge cake and all we'll use the vanilla essence, but for the banana cake we'll use the cinnamon powder because that will contract the taste of this.
Okay. What is the quantity level, sir?
It's like 5 grams you can. Actually I used to put in a hand so that I won't miss it.
So it will give the color also.
Yeah, it will give the light color. Color already we are using the brown sugar. Brown sugar gives the brown color for that. Then flour 135 grams. Along with that 5 grams of baking powder we can add.
Okay.
Baking powder. It's almost 5 grams. Then slow by slow we can add. Before baking, actually this is a preheated oven. So 1 hour before we need to set the temperature. It will take 1 hour to come the temperature. So here we have the duck oven. So it's already done. I on 1 hour before. So this is a 2 temperature. For the bakery, temperature is very important factor, and it depends upon the bread to bread or any pastry to pastry. So we already made the bread here, kept for the proofing chamber. So this will take 200 degrees centigrade, but this will take 175 to 180 degrees centigrade. For this we need to set, it's already 175, here also 175. So to this one, it will indicate one is up, one is down, so we can bake the bread. This is a for spatula choco chip cookies. So this is a butter, okay, and we require little bit soft butter. Hard butter means we cannot. And this is a powdered sugar, okay, sugar we powder. And in this vessel we already mix the flour, refined flour and cocoa powder. The recipe is 1:1:2. Actually, one portion of butter, one portion of sugar, and double the portion or double the portion of maida. And if you are going for a normal cookies, it's only maida. If you are going for choco chip cookies, it will be divided into little bit cocoa powder for the color and taste, and from maida, both the things. And in this we are putting little bit of baking powder.
Okay.
And it's a purely veg item. There is no egg in that.
Okay.
Because some people prefer only the vegetarian. That's the reason I said like that. And it's a method is called a creaming method. So
Okay.
we need to cream the flour, your butter and sugar, and after that gradually we'll add these things.
Okay.
So we'll do that. Now they will do that. Just cream, just with the hand. Where's the hand?
So how long it will take, sir?
It will be soon, ma'am. So if you have powdered the sugar, it will be process will be very fast. Powder the sugar, and if you have butter, should be melted.
Okay.
Like soft butter, fast. Or else we have to put our pressure to melt the butter.
Okay.
And you can do it this in your like beater also. Both the things you can do. Equally divided. What is the shape of this one?
So normally we can give any shape.
Any like a biscuit shape, cookie
Yeah.
shape. Then if you want, you can press it like this again.
Okay.
Don't open for long time. Close immediately. Should be full. Clear your area.
Then
Cake we are doing that. This is a cream of sugar and butter. Okay. So for the color we use the brown sugar. The brown sugar and butter creaming together. Then this is a egg, breaken eggs, and it should be added slow by slow. And this is dry nuts infused in rum. So we kept for 2-3 days before. See, first we need to take a 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of sugar. That is also creaming method.
Okay.
So for the plum cake, actually the color is little bit brown or black. So for that purpose, I use brown sugar. So both the things clear. And here I broke 4 eggs. Along with, this is for the two loaf bread. 4 eggs along with the vanilla essence, and this should be added slow by slow. Okay, we cannot add one shot because it gets curdled. So slow by slow process only we can add it. Once that is done, and you need to add our maida along with corn flour and baking powder. 3 things. And once all the things are added, we need to add, this is the dry nuts or fruits soaked in rum.
Okay.
Actually, how many days more if you are keeping, that much flavor and infusion will
Okay.
get. So 1 week, usually for hotels and all, they'll keep for 15 days and all.
so how many days this one?
This is last 3-4 days. 4 days we kept.
So nuts color won't change with that.
No. It will infuse the flavor, and once it is baked, it will infuse for all the cakes.
What is the quantity level, sir?
Like we can use for like 1 quarter, we can use around almost half kgs of nuts.
Okay.
Done, check it. Then we can add this flour, your cocoa powder and baking powder. 3 things. Slow by slow. And mix it very slow. You can use a machine also. Both the
Okay.
things. Now check, prick it with knife. If it is not sticking, done. Mix. Done? This is a mold with grease and dust, we call it as. We'll grease with oil and dust with flour, maida.
Okay. So why that is maida?
Or else it will stick, ma'am. Sometime in the oil itself it will stick. So maida will be, it will be like a gap.
Yeah.
That will be leave. Done. If it is sticking,
So, yeah.
while pricking, you can prick with toothpick or knife. If you are sticking in the knife, it's not done. If it's not sticking, it's done. That's it. So we can cool it, and after that, or else while doing like it won't stick, then also just go through the sides.
Okay.
So this is a banana bread, the final
Okay,
product.
it's
So
really nice.
Yeah, it's we can do a garnish with it's a icing sugar.
Okay.
So we can dust the icing sugar on top.
So we can see the 3 items which we have prepared by Roopesh sir. It's really nice. Yeah, and students also.
Yeah, this is a banana bread. You can have a taste. Get some.
It's really nice. Really nice. It's very tasty.
It's a toast bread. Right?
Go with the- It's come out like how we get in
Yeah, the hotels
shop.
and-
Yeah, hotels
yeah,
and
and do the
shops and
toasting.
all. Yeah. It's really smooth and nice.
She is Devika. She is pursuing her second year BSc exam. So we have a team of bakery students. So apart from practical, they can anytime they can come and sometimes they only bring the ingredients, and whatever ingredients provided from the college side, we'll help out. So she'll prepare. Today she prepared, there is a milk cake, there is a normal cakes covered with cherries, and inside the layers it's whipped cream, and she'll garnish. So the way of presentation, as she said, like we need to cut the cakes one piece and put it in this along with the milk. She'll have this. So that is this is a milk, normal milk, boiled milk with condensed milk, and it's whipping cream also along with that. Said like we need to drop the milk. As she said, like dipping into the milk, and I'm having. It's really nice. So we'll get that exactly that milk cake taste. Very good, Devika. Try in future also for the more recipes. Good.
Hope you people enjoyed today's episode. Next week we will come up with the more recipes and you can enjoy and you can prepare food also. Thank you.